We're living in a brand new world spurred by digital transformation. As technology continues to evolve, we've entered an era where work is no longer refined to a specific desk, phone, or computer screen. Business professionals have the freedom to share their skills and pursue new opportunities across the globe, all with nothing but the right device and a cloud connection. Now that almost half of the world are beginning to work remotely, companies need to find a way to serve users that refuse to be tethered by wires and physical locations. The result has been an influx of fantastic communication tools designed for almost every touchpoint in the average business. The only problem is that we've innovated so fast that the sheer number of communication tools available is enough to overwhelm any worker or IT team. Fortunately, we have a new solution. Enter unified communications. The term Unified Communications, or UC, describes not only how we connect different communication systems for the digital workforce, but collaboration tools too. That's why you will often hear the phrase UC&C, which simply means Unified Communications and Collaboration. Seamless UC ensures a higher level of interaction throughout the globally dispersed workforce. It breaks down the silos between enterprise teams and ensures that no matter where you work, you can still access the same secure system. In short, UC incorporates messaging, voice and video calling, team collaboration, video conferencing, and file sharing, and so much more. In a world defined by a dizzying mix of platforms designed to suit organizations spread across vast spaces, UC simplifies the world of work. The right UC platform gathers everything your employees need to connect, share, and work together on ideas in the same streamlined interface. Here's some of the major benefits of UC. Better productivity. Teams can connect however they feel most comfortable using any device or medium they choose. Reduce costs. Because UC systems operate on the cloud, they allow companies to shift away from the traditional CapEx model to more of an OpEx model with fewer initial expenses. Stronger performance. Because employees can both communicate and collaborate in an instant, they can solve customer problems faster and improve your business reputation. Enhanced user experience. A good UC strategy can delight your employees and even reduce turnover in your organization by giving people more freedom to work as they choose. The popularity of UC systems is growing more every year. In fact, recent research indicates that the market will see an annual growth rate of 12.3%, leading to a value of about $46 billion by 2020. More than ever, companies are beginning to understand how UC can help them better serve clients and employees alike. Perhaps the biggest trend driving the adoption of UC is digital transformation and the rise of the digital workforce. At its core, the digital workforce thrives on the idea that people should be able to access the tools they need to perform wherever they are and whatever device they use. Combine that with the ever-emerging move to cloud communications and agile methodologies, and you've got an environment primed for UC. As the workplace innovates faster, breaches global boundaries, and discovers new opportunities, UC is the path to better connections and productivity. The words communication and collaboration appear so closely together in the modern world that some people have begun to believe that they mean the same thing. After all, thanks to the widespread popularity of UC and communication apps equipped with collaboration tools, it's easy to see how the two concepts go hand in hand. In fact, collaboration in the workforce simply can't exist without good communication. However, just because the two ideas connect on a fundamental level doesn't mean they're the same thing. So what's the difference? All companies need communication to thrive. It doesn't matter whether you're running a small business of say 3 or 4 people or a huge enterprise with dedicated call centers, you need communication. A communication strategy can come in various forms. Most organizations have an external communication strategy, which is a plan that they use to connect with customers, clients, shareholders, and suppliers. Increasingly, external communication plans are becoming omni-channel, stretching all the way from VoIP to social media, SMS, and much more. It's equally important to have an internal communication strategy. This is the plan that companies use to keep internal staff members connected. It ensures that remote workers can connect with in-office employees through video conferencing, and everyone can stay in touch in real time through persistent chat. Like external communication, internal communication often involves multiple channels. Where communication is about sharing knowledge, collaboration is about actively working together to achieve mutual goals. For instance, if you call someone on a VoIP channel to talk about an upcoming project, it's communication. However, if while you're talking, you also start sharing screens and editing a project together, then it's collaboration. Essentially, collaboration brings action to the communication space. The fact that collaboration and communication are so closely connected is what makes them so hard to distinguish at times. Even the collaboration tools we see on the market today can blur the definitions a little. After all, Slack is often touted as a collaboration tool, but sending someone a message on Slack doesn't necessarily mean you're collaborating. However, Slack does provide channels where teams can collaborate on projects together. Ultimately, collaboration in the modern workforce is about providing an avenue for employees, executives, or anyone else in a business to work together on the same project, no matter where they are. While today the conversation about collaboration is heating up, it's important to remember that communication will always be the underlying ingredient of good collaboration. Without communication, we'd be left with multiple people working on their own versions of a project using the same tool. Communication provides the insight and knowledge to connect minds across the workforce. It's worth mentioning that collaboration tools have largely accommodated internal teams. However, things are changing. We're starting to see intercompany collaboration rising in popularity with features like guest access and shared channels. Communication and collaboration are natural partners in the digitally transforming and globally distributed workforce. However, before any enterprise can begin to successfully invest in collaboration tools, they need to first ensure they're getting the most out of their communication strategy. If communication isn't clear, accessible, and easy to use across a range of touchpoints, then collaboration can't work. Empower your people to share knowledge, then you can help them to work together on tasks. There's lots more to tell you about UC, and that's why UC Today offers a whole host of free and available content for you to explore. From the latest news and products to smart guides and videos, all available at uctoday.com. Thanks for watching.